Hey guys, this is now week 20, so we are only a week away from our last day of school. So this week you will be taking the practice final test, which is actually very similar to what your real final will look like. So I suggest that as you take your practice final, that you take notes. So your practice final is the Schoology practice test. It's due this Sunday. And once you're done with that, I will make the final active starting Sunday. So you have Sunday and Monday to take your final. So please make sure that you complete the final by Monday midnight. Remember, final grades are due Wednesday the 10th. So I really need you guys to finish this final on Monday. Also, if you have any late work, my late work deadline is this Friday. So make sure that you write in the late work into the late work log found in your course materials. So if you've never seen this late work log, you would click on materials, you would look for late work log, then you click on this link that takes you directly to my Google Doc. If it doesn't open, then it's probably because you're not logged in with your LAUSD email. So please make sure you're logged in with your LAUSD info. I hope to see you guys at our Zoom. We do have a Zoom every Thursday, and if you don't know how to get to the Zoom, let me show you that too. So in your materials, you have a Zoom link. So you have Zoom Tutoring Algebra 2. It looks a little bit different for Block 7, but it still says Zoom Tutoring Algebra 2. Or in the calendar, it'll pop up on the side. You can also, the link is also in the calendar. So please join our Zoom this Thursday, 2 p.m. Hope to see you guys there. Take care, be safe, and have a wonderful week.